In this recording, we're going to take a look at how to configure claims mapper to be able to map different claims into different types of tokens. So within my Curity installation here, under Facilities, I have a previously configured Postgres database that holds my claims, my claim information. So I have a simple accounts table with a customer type and account status. Now in Curity, if we go to Profiles, Token Service, and then look at Claims Mappers, there's already one in here, the default one. Here's where we're going to create a new claims mapper. We'll call it Customer Mapper. And this is where we see where we can map different claims to different tokens or to the user info. So I want to specifically map my account status claim into my access token. So we'll select that here. And then I have a different claim that I want to be mapped into the ID token. So we'll add my customer type claim here into the ID token. Click Submit. So now we can see we have a default mapper and a customer mapper. If you look at these two claims, they're mapped to a specific scope here, my customer scope. So I have both the account status and the customer type claims within my customer scope. And for a given client, in my case, I already provide the customer scope here, but currently it's using the default mapper, and I wanted to use the customer mapper instead that we just created in order to get these two claims into the different tokens. Got to commit these changes that we've done, and then we're going to use OAuth tools here to take a look at what happens. So if we start by running a code flow here, authenticate, we can see that none of these are showing up in my ID token. And that's because I haven't requested the customer scope yet. So if we add in the customer scope here and then rerun the code flow, authenticate, now we can see here in my ID token, I have the customer type, but I only have the customer type. If we go and look at the access token and introspect the access token, we can now see that the account status with the value active is indeed in the introspected access token. So we got these two claims assigned to different tokens. And that's how you configure a claims mapper in Curity. Thanks for watching.